Welcome. In this video we will look at the Swiss Re AG stock. We will look at the company and its businesses, advantages and disadvantages, and dividends. Afterwards I will give my opinion on the stock. I recommend you to watch the video until the end. Your subscription motivates me a lot to keep creating quality content. Thank you very much for that. If you don't have a portfolio yet, you can find my recommendation in the description. Swiss Re AG is a global reinsurance company headquartered in Zurich, Switzerland. The company was founded in 1863 and today has over 16,000 employees in more than 25 countries worldwide. Swiss Re offers a wide range of reinsurance solutions, including life and health insurance, property and liability insurance, and insurance for natural catastrophes and other risks. The role of a reinsurer is to provide financial support to insurance companies, financial assistance in managing risks, and to spread the insurance company's risk over a broader base. A reinsurer typically works with insurance companies that take on a certain amount of risk. By purchasing reinsurance, an insurance company can diversify its risks and stabilize its financial position by minimizing its potential losses in the event of unforeseen events. Swiss Re is a major player in the reinsurance industry and is considered one of the leading providers of reinsurance solutions worldwide. The company has a strong financial position and is known for its analytical capabilities and deep understanding of risk management. Swiss Re AG's share is traded on the SIX Swiss exchange. It is also part of the Swiss Market Index, which includes the 20 largest and most liquid companies on the Swiss exchange. Dear viewer, give a like to this video and subscribe to the channel. This motivates me to record new useful videos. Thank you. The Swiss Re AG share has shown a relatively stable performance in recent years, although there has been some volatility. Although there has also been some volatility, particularly related to natural disasters and other unpredictable events that have impacted the insurance industry. There are several advantages to investing in the stock. Long-term growth potential. Swiss Re is an established company with a strong position in the reinsurance industry. It has shown in the past that it is able to successfully respond to changes and challenges in the industry. Dividend payments. Swiss Re is one of the blue-chip stocks and has a dividend policy that aims to provide shareholders with an attractive and regular return. The business is based on mathematical risk assessment and offers a future-proof perspective. The statistical data and figures enable an accurate forecast of the developments in the insurance business. The potential disadvantages and risks are: Swiss Re is a reinsurer that covers large losses from natural catastrophes such as hurricanes, floods, or earthquakes. These events can be more frequent and devastating than expected. Swiss Re's business is geared to the long term, so the company is highly dependent on interest rates. In a period of low interest rates, it may be more difficult for Swiss Re to generate sufficient returns. The strict regulations in the insurance industry can have an impact on the share, as changes in the regulations are often associated with sanctions and penalties for violations. Swiss Re AG pays a dividend annually, usually in April. In fiscal 2022, Swiss Re paid a dividend of CHF 5.94 per share. Currently, the dividend yield is approximately 6%, based on the current share price of CHF 98. Should we buy the share now? After taking a closer look at the chart, we see that the share price has stabilized between CHF 80 and CHF 100. Currently, the yield is around 6%. However, if we buy the stock at 80 francs, we can expect a projected return of 7.4%. assuming the dividend payout remains at the 2022 level. Therefore, if you are interested in dividend payments, it may make sense to buy the stock now. This is because there is a possibility that the share price will soon break out of its range and continue to rise. Overall, a yield of 6% is already very good for a relatively safe company. In my opinion, the insurance business is one of the safest businesses of all. It is based on mathematical figures and statistics, which means that the development can be predicted with a high degree of probability. Of course, you can't estimate whether a customer will have an accident this year, and if so, how much. But if you have, say, 100,000 customers, You can say with a probability of at least 90% that this year you will have to pay out, say, 10 million euros in claims. As an insurer, therefore, you have to collect enough premiums to be able to cover the costs and administrative expenses. A reinsurer can estimate the possible costs just as well, if not better, and only has to step in if an insurance company is no longer liquid for some reason. Please write me your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed the content, I'd be happy to have you subscribe to my channel. Until the next video, ciao.